Is your currency craving a change? Exploring forex trading with Questrade. Ever wondered how international businesses operate? How do they pay their suppliers in another country, or how much does that cup of coffee you bought in Bali actually cost them? The answer lies in the foreign exchange market, also known as forex. Now, forex trading might sound intimidating, all that talk of pips and currency pairs. But what if you could be a part of this global financial dance? Well, that's where brokers like Questrade come in. So, the question on everyone's mind, is Questrade a forex broker? Hold on to your loonies and euros, because that's exactly what we'll be diving into today. Beyond stocks, unveiling Questrade's offerings. Let's face it, Questrade is a familiar name in the investment world. They're known for their user-friendly platform and commission-free stock and ETF trades. But forex? That seems like a different ball game altogether. Here's the good news, Questrade actually does offer forex trading. They allow you to speculate on the value of currencies, buying low and selling high to pocket the difference. But there's a twist, unveiling CFDs. Now, there's a slight twist to how Questrade facilitates forex trading. They primarily deal with contracts for difference, CFDs. Don't worry, it's not as complex as it sounds. Think of a CFD as an agreement between you and the broker. You speculate on the price movement of a currency pair, like the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. If your prediction is correct, you profit. But if the market moves against you, you incur losses. The key here is that with CFDs, you don't actually own the underlying currency. You're simply betting on its price movement. This can be a good thing for active traders who want to capitalize on short-term fluctuations. Forex with Questrade, unveiling the pros and cons. So, is Questrade the El Dorado of forex trading? Well, like most things in life, it has its pros and cons. Pros. Convenience. If you're already using Questrade for your stock and ETF investments, keeping your forex trading within the same platform can be a huge advantage. Everything is centralized, making it easier to manage your portfolio. Competitive spreads. Questrade boasts competitive spreads on over 110 currency pairs. This means the difference between the buy and sell price is relatively low, allowing you to keep more of your profits. User-friendly platform. Questrade's platform is known for its intuitive design. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious beginner, navigating the forex features shouldn't be a hurdle. Cons. CFDs only. As mentioned earlier, Questrade primarily deals with CFDs. This means you don't actually own the underlying currency, which might not be ideal for everyone. Limited features. Compared to dedicated forex brokers, Questrade might have a lighter range of features specifically tailored to forex trading. Margin requirements. Since CFDs are leveraged products, you'll need to maintain a certain minimum balance in your account, known as the margin. This can magnify both your profits and losses. The verdict, is Questrade right for you? Ultimately, whether Questrade is the right forex broker for you depends on your individual needs and trading style. Here's when Questrade shines. You're already a Questrade user and want a convenient way to add forex to your investment mix. You're a beginner interested in exploring forex with a user-friendly platform. You're a short-term trader looking to capitalize on currency fluctuations. However, consider exploring other options if you prefer owning the underlying currency and not dealing with CFDs. You're a seasoned forex trader who needs a wider range of advanced features. You're uncomfortable with the leverage and potential risks associated with CFDs. Forex trading, a word of caution. Before diving headfirst into the world of forex, remember, it's a volatile market. Just like any investment, there's always a risk of losing money. Make sure you do your research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.